Ever wonder how your stock purchase actually happens? It all starts with the order book, the engine behind every trade. The order book is a digital list of all buy and sell orders for a specific asset, organized by price level. It contains two sides. The bid side represents buyers, while the ask side represents sellers waiting for a deal. When a buy order matches a sell order, a trade occurs. This process helps determine the current market price of an asset. Your choice of order type determines how you interact with the book. Market orders take what is available, while limit orders wait for your price. This visual shows the volume at each price. A deeper book with more orders usually means a more liquid and stable market. Remember, high liquidity means you can buy or sell easily without causing a massive price swing. Understanding the order book is key to grasping market structure. Check back for more basics on how the financial system works.